Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add indicators on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to TradingView, and as you can see here at the top, we have indicators. Now let's say, for example, I want to add the moving average indicator. So all you have to do is type here moving average. The same thing works with all the indicators. So moving average simple, for example, this one. As you can see, this is our moving average. Okay, this is our indicator. If you want to change some settings on it, click on it and you will see it here. Click on the gear icon and you can change, for example, the length. Let's make this one 20 moving average. We will change this one to 20. Okay, as you can see, if you want to change the color, go to style and you can change the color from here. You want to change the thickness, change it from here. Okay, and click on OK here. Now this is our indicator, our moving average indicator. Some indicators will show here, okay? For example, the RSI. So let's add RSI, Relative Strength Index. Click on it. As you can see, we have the RSI here at the bottom. If you want to make changes, go here and click on the gear icon and you can change everything from here. As you can see, all the settings are here. When you finish, click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.